Good evening, everyone. My name is Cesar Serrano. I want to say thank you for everyone for being here and listening to me. So today I want to tell you about a construction method that is revolutionizing the construction industry as a whole. Unlike traditional construction, where all structures are built and assembled on-site, prefab construction or prefabrication construction is built in controlled environments such as warehouses and factories, and then it's transported and assembled on their job sites, kind of like Legos. I would say that prefab or prefabrication construction is better because it's faster, it's safer, and it's more sustainable than traditional construction. From an ethical standpoint, prefab addresses one of the most critical challenges that we face in the construction industry, and that is worker safety. Traditional construction sites, unfortunately, are often hazardous with workers exposed to dangerous equipment, falls, which is the number one accident, and unpredictable weather, such as rain and snow. However, prefab greatly reduces these risks by moving much of the work to these controlled environments, such as the warehouses and the factories, where it's much easier to enforce safety. Ethically, this method proves that it prioritizes human lives and their well-being, and it also ensures workers that can work their jobs without having to face traditional challenges. Logically, prefabrication construction is more cost-effective and more efficient. I say this because prefab construction uses little to zero waste, which means you spend less money on materials. It's also more effective because prefabrication projects take less time than traditional construction projects, which means you get to spend more time on other projects. Now, emotionally, prefabrication construction does satisfy our desire for a more sustainable and more environmentally friendly solutions. I say this because traditional construction uses about 30% of the world's carbon footprint. It also uses a lot of waste. However, prefab uses little to no waste, and it uses a lot less of that carbon footprint. This satisfies our responsibility to leave a better footprint and a better planet for future generations. Some companies that are already utilizing prefabrication construction is Crossline Prefab, which is a company where they essentially mold and pour concrete and then send it out to their specific construction sites. And then TCM Enterprises, they frame walls out of steel, aluminum, or timber, and then they send it out to their specific job sites. Could you imagine a world where all projects were delivered on time, under budget, and without compromising quality? This is all outcomes of prefabrication construction. By working prefab, we can build a world that is smarter, safer, and more sustainable. In conclusion, I believe that prefab is the future of construction because it's safer for workers, it's more efficient for companies, it's more cost effective for owners, and it's emotionally fulfilling as it aligns with our ethical and emotional values. Thank you guys for listening. This is my audience, my little brother, my mom, my dad, my brother, and then my virtual audience right there. Thank you.